Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a piece of cherry, but we have a big challenge because it has some scratch here and some scratch also it has there and there, and I don't know, I have some idea in my mind. I want to make some bowl for the fruits, and I don't know because of those scratch how it will be. So watch the video until the end and let's see how it is coming. So until here I think you could guess what it was my idea, but some problem we have. As I told you before, it has very much a scratch. One scratch we have here and this one, which is connected to this part, which is very much big, and I am afraid if I'm carving here, this part will be broken. Or here also, look how it is. I think if I'm carving, because I should carve inside and outside together, because of it I think it is, when I'm carving it is going to broken. That's why I have some glue. It is not advertising, they are not paying to me. Just I am using, it is poo wood, and it's going, when you are filling inside, after 5-10 minutes it's puffing, and I think that one it can help me because it's going inside, and then I will start for the carving. After half an hour should be enough. When I'm putting, then I will show you how is puffing and filling all the hole which it is here. I don't know, did you use from this glue? If you have some idea, please write for me in the comments. Also I could use the epoxy, but epoxy is take very much long time. Minimum it need 1 day until it's going to dry. That's why I prefer to use this glue. This glue is for the wooden, just, and it is nice because it is going inside and puffing, and after that it's going to more strong, I think. I don't know. Let's see. Look how it is. So I think it is okay. We are waiting for half an hour, it should be enough. Then we are continuing. Just look how it is coming glue foam up while it's curing. It is so nice. We have to wait when it's going to dry. After that, by the knife or when I'm carving, I will clean. Just now we should wait. It's going to dry. So now after half an hour I was waiting and it's going to dry. You can see how foam is coming outside, and now we are going for the continuing the carving. So carving is going to finish. Now we are going for the sanding. For the sanding I'm using 60, 120, 180 and 240. I think it should be enough because it is cherry and doesn't need, I mean it is soft and doesn't need very much sanding. Just one problem we have two crack here, one here and one here, as you can see on the video. I don't know what I should do. At first I was thinking I'm starting for the sanding and the end see how it will be, and somehow I'm fixing. Please write in the comment below what is your suggestion for fixing these two cracks. Thank you. So sanding is going to finish and it's coming very much nice, as you can see on the video. Just we have some scratch here and there and two piece inside. I am going to fill it with super glue and sanding powder until they are going to lose by the visual. So let's do it. So sanding is going to finish, and this line, as you can see on the video, when I'm putting the oil, because they are brown, is going to more nice. Now I'm going to fix these two big scratch. I was thinking I am putting the epoxy, but epoxy is taking long time because with one time I cannot put 2-3 times minimum I should put. That's why it's going for 3-4 days until it's going to finish. Now I have another idea and I will show you how I fix it. Okay, this part is going to finish. As you saw, I fixed with some iron and I think it is nice. Now I want to make as a vintage style or old style. Because of it, I'm making some fire here. I'm burning, I mean here. It's going to dark color and black like all the style is coming. So let's see. So firing process is going to finish, and look how nice it is. I was not thinking it's coming that much nice. I hope you can see on the video all the line of the wooden is coming out because of the fire. Now look how it is nice here. Now I am putting my stamp backside, and after that we are going for the covering with the oil. Now we are going for the putting the oil. For the oil I am using the Borma Wachs. It is German brand and it is food safe. We have different color from Borma Wachs, but I'm using the dark or walnut color because I want to make as a vintage or old style. I think the walnut color would be great. Let's see. So oiling is going to finish, and see how beautiful it is. I think it is very much nice. That iron and fire which we made is coming very much nice. You can see all the line of the wooden, and also you can use it as a bowl for the fruit. It has 4 legs. You can put on the table and you are putting inside whatever you like. You know, woodworking is not my profession, it is my hobby. Maybe some things I'm doing wrong, and I don't know, some things I'm doing, but this wooden I think we could use just for barbecue or fire because it has very much a scratch, but now it has a new life and you can use it on the table as a decoration in the house. Thank you for watching my video until the end. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video and another challenge.